good? It's your boy Brad, man, back with another vid. I'm holding an Insta360 I just got right now, X5. Fire, I want to see how the 8K look. I'm about to put this on the back of the V. I'm about to go to a car meet real quick. I'm not gonna be there long because I don't got much time. But yeah, I told y'all, man, I'm back vlogging, man. To my boy that met me in the gas station, man. Got me hyped, got me back on my shit, man. I'm about to turn up. So yeah, I'm about to put this shit on the back of the car and get some footage like that. I'm still had a GoPro, so I'm gonna just be alternating between the two. But yeah, man, I'm good to this car meet, and we're gonna see what's up. Now, how do I turn this off? I gotta do it through the phone only, I think. Weird, I'm using a 360. It's looking at me, but I forgot it's looking at the car too. I just want that 8K view, you feel me? But I park far because I gotta leave, man. I got daddy duties and shit. So I'ma just go over there. Oh, y'all put the bumper guard on there. Hold my shit good and safe. Man, I love this shit. That carbon fiber. Look how that carbon fiber glistening like that. Look at that shit. Glistening carbon fiber. I don't know if I got them compliments on camera. I got like 2 compliments too when I came. I said, oh, they showing the 850 love. You know, some of them car nerds be mad like, 850, I don't care. Shut the f up. But yeah, let me say the battery. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get over there. It made cool. I remember I argued with one of my friends talking about, yo, that shit the same size as the Grand Coupe. It's just got one door. It's really not though. Looking at it now, it is really smaller. But let me go to the car meet. I'm fucking bugging. I just walked from mad far. I'm parked mad far, YouTube. Look, dead ends, that's what make me fucking up. Here it go. I'm here though now. Let me turn it back on when I get closer. And I could have parked right here. Look at all of this parking, bro. Bro, look at all of this parking, bro. I think you're gonna be stuck after that though. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to get out after that. Yeah, oh, okay. Nah, I gotta go. Get some cars and shit.
All right, next ticket is a blue ticket. 185147. 185147. 185147. He don't want to come. He doesn't want his souls to glow.
Where y'all at?
Good job, man. Good job.
Where y'all at?
Kendrick.
Oh, yeah.
He doesn't want his face to be in the photo.
Oh, okay. I just pulled up, so the other nigga did.
You gotta get a mask, man.
But,
no face, no case.
All right, let me know when y'all close, bro, because I can't even stand.
White ticket 057018.
Gotta get my daughter and shit. Let me know when y'all close.
057018.
All right.
What the hell? Got a Brom? Hey, no burnouts. No burnouts. No burnouts. You're gonna blow your engine. You gotta be careful, bro. It's not being done paid for yet. Don't do no burnouts. Oh, he does it anyway. Somebody stop the song. Oh, okay, great. I see what you did there with your big plate. No face, no case, right? No plate, no gate. All right, white ticket 057018. 057018. Going once. Going twice. Well, yeah.
In the door, man. One day, y'all. One day.
Princeton? Okay. Did you ever in Princeton? Got a house over there. Blue ticket 185128. 18. Mercedes wagon.
spot out this motherfucker. I ain't gonna hold you.
185128. Blue ticket going once, going twice.
Got the trucks over here.
You got a family in there.
I don't see my Long Island Beamer niggas.
057570.
Bro, I need something over my head though, like a rag. Like I ain't with that sun shit, bro. They got the old schools over here too. This shit got buttons and shit in there. So he's rocking 5 batteries. Let's go with the batteries. What that do? I know that do some fast shit though. My son got 4 batteries in there. If I had money to build those switches. You know this shit do some shit. Look at this shit up here. My son didn't even take his shit off the lift. M2. I'm just ignoring this shit, Paul. Honda. God damn, you two. I feel like, and I got a full black too. I calmed down. Got a fucking ice cream cone. I was overheating for sure. Looks like an RX-7. Better now. Oh, let me not speak too soon. There go the sun. Really wasn't even the sun. I mean, the ice cream. It was the sun went down. Oh.
Wow, he's got a BMW with a dog bite sticker. Dog bite banner. Hey, relax.
Should have got that.
Relax. He's got a hole in his exhaust. All BMWs, they all sound the same. All right, blue ticket. 185088. 185088. 185088. Yo, what's up? Yo, you got that ice cream, son? What flavors you got? I need some cherries. Word.
I don't even know who that talking.
Once again, 185088.
I probably got shook when I looked back.
Thank you, bro. All right, going once, going twice. Sorry.
Man, Paul. I ain't want to come in because I got to leave. I got to pick up my daughter and shit, so I ain't want to come in and get trapped. But it looked like I could have just pulled right out this motherfucker. I might drive my shit through here just to drive through. So you just go, you enter through right there, they let you in.
And then I drove through here.
They just let you in, right?
Yeah, they had it, but it was a fucking long line.
Yeah.
When I was over there, then eventually then I moved the shit over there.
But you came in through right there.
Yeah. And you have to make the aggressively go fucking left. Where he at? In the crib, he told me he was in Word. His shit would have sold out, bro. Like,
Hellcat. Green boy. This shit crazy right here. I just want to make sure I got the right angles of this shit right here. This shit.
White ticket.
Fire.
057 246.
Get the back of this shit.
057 246.
I can get this McLaren. Get this GTR shit. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna end the vid right here, man. Bad cops and shit on the belt. I don't feel like doing shit. If you like the video, man, make sure you like the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment, subscribe, leave a fire comment for your boy. Leave a keep going down there, something. Yeah, we got more heat coming. It's your boy, my son Brad. We out of here.
Oh, the money, sell that. Drug test, fail that. Roll cushion, hell that. Set the bone, I'm bail that. I just hope you don't tell that. I'm just talking, I don't wanna rap. Keep the blick, I don't wanna scrap. Switch sides, ain't no coming back. I don't wanna hear none of that. Niggas lame, why you run with that? Lost the game, we gon' run it back. Spit crack, that's on every track. Yeah, I'm really one of that. Popping out like tie-dye. You could cuff the bitch, not I.